So here we go. This original song called Ngāko Whakaora, meaning healing the heart in English. Here's it. Okay. Here we go. Renew me with your word, surround me with your presence, cover me with your wings of love. Purify my heart, purify my soul, wipe away these tears, heal my weeping heart. Oh Lord, I come closer to you. Oh Lord, as you come closer to me, please heal this broken heart and heal me now with your touch. Wash away my wrongs, forgive my sins, oh Lord, holy, just and perfect, breath of life and hope, deeper than the ocean, brighter than the stars. Shine your light before me and carry me through the night. Oh Lord, I come closer to you. Oh Lord, as you come closer to me, please heal this broken heart and heal me now with your touch. Oh Lord, you are here. Oh Lord, ease my fears. Oh Lord, you are peace. Oh Lord, bring release. Rest within your mercy. Your grace has made me whole. You walk me through the sorrow. You're the lover of my soul. You whisper in the stillness. You guide me through the pain. Your arms forever open. In you I live again. Oh Lord, I come closer to you. Oh Lord, as you come closer to me, please heal this broken heart and heal me now with your touch. Oh Lord, you are here. Oh Lord, ease my fear. Oh Lord, you are peace. Oh Lord, bring release. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, hey, hey, hey. Oh Lord, e hoa wakatatata ki a koe, e hoa wakatata mai koe ki au, rungu ahia te ngaka roi mata, he wakapā wakaora i au, e hoa ke kone koe, e hoa wakamari e tō waruha, e hoa ke maunga rongoa, e hoa tuku oro mai te ngākau, e hoa, e hoa, e hoa. Hey, 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 oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. tēnei mi ana ki aku te whānau. That was the original song. It's called Ngā Koe Whakaore Te Reo Māori. And in English we call it Healing the Heart. So I hope you enjoy your day. Hari kua koutou i te rangi nei. E tino atau ko tēnei rā, ko te rahina, o te marama o mahuru. Nō rea te whānau mihi ana as we celebrate, it's the week of the real Māori. It's coming up very, very soon. So kia kā koutou i tō tātou reo rangatira. And I hope you enjoy this hymn, Ngā Koe Whakaora. I want to acknowledge mihi ana ki te atua. I always give whakamoemiti ki tia ki te atua. Nō reira, mihi ana. Nō reira te whānau kumwiti taki kōrero. This original song, I hope you enjoyed this original song called Healing the Heart, Ngā Koe Whakaora. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa, kauri.